Here's a frequent error that I see when people are using Git. So I've gone on ahead and modified this mountain terrain asset. It's this one right here, and it says the number 3 on it. And I'm going to go ahead and push this up to the repo. And as I'm pushing, I get an error that looks like this. With these Git errors, the important thing in this window to look at, if you expand it, is there's always this bold line that says error. And it says failed to push some refs. And this will most likely tell you what is going on. So this says updates were rejected because the remote contains work that you do not have locally. To fix this error, it basically means that I need to do a pull. So I'm going to go ahead and do a pull. All right, I got another error. This error is telling me automatic merge failed, fix conflicts, and then commit the results. And it gave me this message here that says merge conflict in group project assets terrain mountain terrain.asset. This is telling me that I have modified this mountain terrain asset, and so has someone else, and they already pushed it to the server. So now this is telling me that it cannot merge these two versions of this file. So it's basically asking me, which version do you want to use? You've modified it and someone else has modified it. Now I'll get in this strange state here where it kind of looks like this in Git fork. The important thing to do at this point is to go look at your local changes, right? If you already have this automatic commit message in here that says merge branch main ... it means that it's waiting for you to decide which version of these files you should use. As you click through the files that have merge conflicts, you'll be prompted with a dialog that looks like this. Origin.main or origin/main is the version of the file from the server, from GitLab. Main is the version of the file on your computer. So now it's up to you. You modified a file that someone else has also modified. Which version do you want to keep? In this case, I want to keep mine. Now, this sometimes comes from a failure to communicate with the rest of your group. If I'm modifying a scene or a prefab and someone else modifies a scene or a prefab and we can't merge those changes together, the changes that someone else has made here will need to be redone. So I'm going to go ahead and choose mine. And now I can hit commit. And then finally, I can push this to the server. Note that what just happened was I just stomped over whatever changes my group mate made. So that terrain now looks like this, the number 3, the change that I had made to it. Whatever changes they made are now gone. And so we would need to reapply those if it was something important that we wanted to keep.